Showdance, intermediate. A phrased one-wall line dance which consists of part A and part B. Part A is 52 counts, part B is 16 counts. Let's go over part A first. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second time you do part A, you have a restart after 8 counts. The third time you do part A, you have a restart after 32 counts. Part B, digital age. 16 counts. You always do part B twice. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. Let me show you the arm movements from the front. 1, 2, cross right over left. Keep the wrists together. Roll them. And 3. Pull a bow and arrow. First halfway as I transfer weight. And finish the bow and arrow. 4. Throw your right hand on count 5. 5. Let's do that once more. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5.